Welcome back to another short Adobe Illustrator text effect tutorial. Today I will show you how to make this shadow effect text in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you never miss any points. OK. First, select the rectangle tool and click on the artboard until you see this window. Put the size as same as artboard's size. And hit OK. Align the rectangle by horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now it is aligned with the artboard. Press Ctrl+2 to lock the artboard, or you can lock it from the object menu. Now take the type tool and write your text on the artboard. Adjust the text and apply white color. Now I will select this built-in font. Keep the text tracking on -100 so the text will compress. Right-click on the text and select Create Outline. Now click on this gradient to open the gradient window. Make sure you have selected this white-black preset. Adjust this location slider as required. Now right-click on the text and go to Transform and select Reflect option. Keep the reflection on horizontal and hit Copy. Now keep pressing the down arrow key until the copied text reaches below the original text. Now take the rectangle tool and draw it on the copied text. Click on the gradient icon to open the menu. Double-click on this dot to open the colors menu and select this full black color. Close all windows. Take the gradient tool and draw a line on the gradient rectangle. Drag the black dots upwards to the center. Take Selection tool and select both text and rectangle. Go to the window menu and select Transparency. Click on Make Mask button. Now click on the artboard to see the final results. If you don't like the shadow reflection, you can undo steps with Ctrl+Z and adjust the gradient. This is all for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for short and to the point tutorials. Thanks for watching.